Hello everyone. I just got a happy mail from Dawn Yarndoll, and first one is this right here. 3 of these in here, which made it pretty obvious what it was. I didn't have to open it to find out what it was. It's exactly how it arrived in a clear bag, which I don't really like when they do that because then they know what's in it. But and then I got this one here, which is closed up. I have no idea what it is, so I'm going to open that up right now. So, a pair of scissors here. I know it's flat. You can hear it rattles. I don't know what's in it, but hope that I didn't break it by rattling whatever it is. Let's see what this is. Oh. They really make these things tough on scissors, don't they? Especially little bitty scissors like I have. This won't be a very long video, but I just wanted to do this. I kind of promised. Well, I did promise Dawn I was going to do this, so hopefully I get this up soon. It's pretty hot in here. My phone won't be on very long. I don't have a fan running. I just wanted to. I was so excited to open this, so. Okay. What is that? Now it's in a box. Oh! Crochet hooks. Inscraft crochet hook set. You can kind of see my light there. Let's see. There we go. 13 different. Oh, it's a whole set. Then I've not seen this until now, so I'm actually reading it right off the screen. So, yeah. So yeah, it's polished aluminum tips, soft rubber handles, crochet hooks with various accessories. It looks like it has a bunch of different sizes. So I don't know what those mean. Maybe you can comment and let me know. There's B, it's right here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see what those say there. There's B 2mm, C 2.5mm, D 3mm I think, E 3.5mm, 4mm. Yeah, 4mm. And then 7 4.5mm, H 5mm, I 5.5mm, J 6mm, 7, can't see what 7 is, 7mm, and then L 8mm, M 9mm, and 10, or N is 10mm. Well, I don't know what that means. It must be the size of the hook. And on the back it says value crochet hook set, 13 pieces, soft rubber handles, pretty much what it says in front. Easy to carry. Our set is ideal for travel. You can make the most of your time crocheting anywhere. Perfect gift for crocheters. Perfect gift for beginners, kids, women, and advanced crocheters. Age grading 12. Well, I think I'm over 12 years old, am I? So, contains sharp object that may cause injury. That's why they say 12. So, let's open this up and see what's in it. Plastic. I don't want to cut the box though. That's what I'm afraid of. Looking for a seam or something, just in case, or where it opens. Looks like it opens on this side right here, on the side. Yep. So poke it. Not too much. I don't want to cut something inside. Now all I need is a crocheting for dummies. This just has something in there. It seems like it's like a kit. Maybe it'll have instructions or something like that. Now I do that. So I'll post this on my Yarn Dude channel, I call it. Oh, I cut the tape too, it looks like. Oh well. It's like skishing it a little bit. And crease the box a little bit, trying to get the plastic off there. So, wow, this box is really flimsy. Oh, actually I didn't cut the tape. I guess I cut the tape too now. I did. Whoa, a whole bunch of stuff in there. Opening it up here. I don't know if it's like in a package or a kind of a casing. Well, it looks like a casing of some sorts. Is that it? Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, a little pouch. Check that out, a little pouch. Put everything in. What? Oh, it has more in it. More scissors. It's all taped together. I don't know what this stuff is. You can comment and tell me what that stuff is. I have no idea what it's for. I know what the scissors are for, but I don't know what the rest is for. So yeah, it looks like a whole kit except for a book. It doesn't have a book in it. And then you got the needles. Now those are cool. They actually match the yarn. So it looks like there's a ring, I guess. I guess that's kind of like a sewing, what do you call those things? Similar to that. I don't know what that is right there. And then these look like maybe some other kind of needles of some sort, smaller needles. So what did it say, 13? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, it's 13. So I don't know if those are needles or not. What those are. And then there's a measuring tape. Just kind of expect that. So yeah, I'll put these in the pouch, and yeah, once I learn how to use them, they are definitely, yeah, they do definitely get bigger. So yeah, that must have been the sizes then, because the green one here is the larger one, right here, and the yellow one is the smaller one. Show those again when we get right set up this time. So yeah, that's, I guess that's the what does it say? The 2mm, and then this one over here is the 10mm. So and then everything in between. So thanks, Mrs. Dawn Yarndoll and Mr. Yarndoll, or Miss, actually I should say, and Mr. Yarndoll. So thanks for that, and I'll see what I can do with that. I love the yarn though. I wasn't expecting that. My fiance would probably want one of these because she's LGBT and she likes those kind of colors, so she might want one. So I'll give her one. I'm okay with 2 of them, so if you don't mind, you can get Dawn. So I like to share with her and stuff, so I'm going to put those needles in that little pouch. So anyway, thanks for that Happy Mail, and thanks for watching. Bye.